Hello and welcome to another brief demonstration of new features coming up in the Mars release of the Eclipse Papyrus project. Today we follow up on the synchronization of diagrams with other diagrams, looking at how a synchronized diagram can override the synchronization of certain aspects of the notation. So I think last time we looked at a prototype of synchronization of state machines in UML-RT models. So we have a state machine for a capsule named capsule 1, and capsule 3 specializes capsule 1 and has a state machine redefining the behavior of capsule 1. So to make this demonstration go a little better, why don't we first bring this out into its own editor, bring the size down to something a bit more manageable. There we go. Okay. And yeah, let's add a transition that's missing here. Like so. Okay, good. So as we've seen before, we can keep the various positions of things in sync like so. That's good, but one of the purposes of redefining the behavior of the subclass here is we would want to introduce other elements, additional states. Oops. Additional states, the things that don't appear in the superclass behavior. And of course, when we do that, we might like to redraw some transitions, things like that. Okay, so I think we've seen all of that before. But now, if I, in the state machine here, I go rearranging things for purposes of working on this diagram, well, it kind of messes up the layout of this diagram down here. So why don't I go and put that back? Okay, so that's the way I like the look of things down here. And now any further changes that I make to this element are not synchronized anymore, because I deliberately overrode the location of this element in the substate machine. So the system takes note of that, tags this view with a new named style that says, don't synchronize my location anymore. Same thing goes for, of course, the sizes of shapes. So let's say that one of the changes I make down here is I make this a composite state and start adding stuff in there. So now this thing has a new size, and it doesn't track the size of this state anymore. It does track the location still, because I haven't really customized that, but probably I would end up doing that also, and then that's all disconnected. So there you have it, overriding the position and size and other notational aspects of a diagram that is synchronized from another diagram. Thank you.